Imagine a cake so soft and airy that it literally melts in your mouth. This is not just any dessert, this is a chocolate tres leches cake. Hey Lemon Cone fam, welcome back to our channel. Today's recipe is perfectly moist, fluffy and full of chocolatey goodness. Let's dive into this recipe. First, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Grease an 8 by 12 inches baking pan. Now let's start by sifting our dry ingredients. All-purpose flour, cornstarch, cocoa powder, instant coffee, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them well and set aside. Take 5 large eggs and separate the whites from the yolks. I have already done that. In a clean bowl, start whisking the egg whites on high speed. After 1 minute, gradually add granulated sugar and beat until you get stiff. This usually takes 5 to 6 minutes depending on your mixer. Now, in a separate large bowl, mix granulated sugar with lukewarm water. This helps to dissolve sugar. Add the egg yolks and a splash of vanilla essence. Beat until it turns pale and thick, about 2 to 3 minutes. Add neutral vegetable oil and mix on low speed until everything is combined. Add half of the egg whites to the yolk mixture and gently fold. Now add in your dry ingredients and fold again carefully. Finally, fold in the remaining egg whites without overmixing. The batter should be light, airy, and flowy. Pour the batter into your prepared baking tin. Tap the pan lightly on the counter to release any big air bubbles. You can also use a skimmer for this step. Bake it in the preheated oven for 25 minutes or until a toothpick inserted in the center comes out clean. So subscribe the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss out our delicious recipes like this one. The cake is done. Let it cool completely. Now let's make the tres leches mixture. Evaporated milk, sweetened condensed milk, heavy cream and cocoa powder. Okay, whisk it well together. Don't worry about cocoa lumps, they dissolve easily. Gently remove the top crust of the cake and poke holes all over with the fork. Pour the chocolate milk mixture evenly over the cake. Cover it with cling film and refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Overnight is even better. For the top layer, beat together cream cheese, icing sugar, cocoa powder, a splash of vanilla. Once it is smooth, add cold heavy cream and whip until stiff peaks form. Spread this chocolate cream evenly over the cake. Finish it off with chocolate shavings. And it's ready! Serve it cold, the texture is light, fluffy, and melts in your mouth. Let's take a bite. It's so soft, so moist, and absolutely delicious. It's full of chocolatey goodness. You're going to love it. If you love this recipe, check out our other easy baking recipes on Lemon Cone. Like, share with your loved ones, and drop your feedback in the comments. Until next time, keep baking, keep smiling.